It's a 2005 Honda cbr1000rr. The bike would not start. The fuel pump would never prime. I was riding and shut it off. Once you start it, fuel pump wouldn't prime, so the bike would not start. So I had to do a lot of testing. Check the relays, check the fuse, check the ECM, check the fuel pump, everything was good. Check the bass sensor, check the neutral safety switch, everything. Still not start. After a while, did some research, saw that someone had a problem with the harness over here, and mine was this little box right here. This is what happened. The 12-volt wire that goes into the box got burnt, so it would not start. It'll cut out the fuel pump, the ignition system, the injector, everything. So finally got this. Had a spare one, replaced it, cut the wire, heat shrink it. It's good. Now I start. Hear the pump and you start it. So if you got a problem with your CBR, doesn't want to start, fuel pump not prime, checking everything else works, this is your next step right here. Most likely the pin is going to be burnt or something. Good luck.